I am going to talk about anomalous secondary growth in Bignonia. Normal cambium with abnormal activity. Bignonia is a dicot woody climber, belongs to family Bignonaceae. Anomalous secondary growth in the stem is due to abnormal behavior of the cambium during later stages. The origin, position and function of cambium ring is normal in the initial stages of growth. In initial stages, cambium produces large amount of secondary xylem towards inner side and small amount of secondary phloem towards outer side. In later stages of secondary growth, that is, after producing some secondary tissues in normal manner at 4 regions in crosswise places, cambium produces more amount of secondary phloem towards outer side and less amount of secondary xylem towards inner side. These phloem patches later on get embedded or intruded deeply into the secondary xylem. This results in the formation of 4 deep wedges of secondary phloem. At these 4 places, less amount of secondary xylem and more amount of phloem is produced. This is abnormal behavior of cambium. This anomalous activity is restricted only at 4 diagonal places. The phloem path is traversed by sclerenchyma bars. Sclerenchyma gives mechanical support to thin-walled phloem tissues. It results in 4 wedge-shaped phloem patches and 4 fan-shaped xylem patches. After addition of secondary xylem and phloem, the development of peridium takes place in the epidermal region of the stem. When the stem grows around the support, Bignonia, its inner side gets compressed and outer side gets stretched. If only hard tissues like secondary xylem remains in the central part of the stem, during compression and stretching, the stem would break or crack. To avoid this breaking or cracking of the stem, Bignonia requires some soft tissue in the central region. Central hard tissue is traversed by 4 phloem patches at 4 diagonal places. This is due to abnormal behavior of cambium. There is a direct relation between anomalous secondary growth and climbing habit of the plant. Hence, this anomalous secondary growth in Bignonia stem is described as adaptive anomalous secondary growth. Now, what are the important features of anomalous secondary growth in Bignonia? Number 1, cambium is normal in origin as well as activity is normal in the initial stages of growth. 4 regions of cambium develop more secondary phloem towards outer side than the secondary xylem at inner side. 4 secondary phloem furrows with sclerenchyma bars. Secondary xylem is fan-shaped. Thus, Bignonia stem shows abnormal behavior of normal cambium. Also, it is adaptive anomalous secondary growth to avoid breaking of stem. It helps the climbing habit of plant. Thank you very much.